Uh, BREDA 10-618 require that all brokers advise prospective client of the type of agency relationship available through the brokers. BREDA 10-10810 requires that all brokers advise prospective client the type of agency relationship available through the broker and any brokerage relationship that would conflict with any interest of the client actually known by the broker, as well as the broker's compensation. Brokers must never discuss racial composition or preference for nationality. In Georgia, broker's duty owed a client are determined by a special statute. Again, in Georgia, broker's duty owed to client are determined by a special statute, which is BREDA. In Georgia, broker's duty owed to client are determined by a special statute. How is the law of agency governed in Georgia? By a state statute. Historically, the law of agency was common law concept arising from the judgment and decrees. Again, how is the law of agency governed in Georgia? by a state statute. Historically, the law of agency was common law concept arising from the judgment and decrees of courts. But today, the Georgia Code, Title 10, Chapter 6A, brokerage relationship in real estate transaction, or BREDA, replaces the common law of agency. A broker was engaged by a buyer to locate a property. At what time is the agency agreement terminated? In 1 year after initiation, if no expiration date and no termination date has occurred. If completion of agreement performance is not made, then the agency is terminated anytime that is mutually agreeable to both parties. However, if no expiration date is provided and no termination has occurred, then the agreement is terminated 1 year after the initiation of the agreement. A salesperson who represents a buyer successfully in a purchase of real estate typically receives their compensation from the seller's brokers following the closing. A salesperson can receive compensation only from the broker with whom they are affiliated with. As an agent of the broker, the salesperson has no authority to make contracts with or receive compensation from any other party. Here, the seller's broker will pay the agreed upon split of the commission to the salesperson supervising broker, and a standard from administering and enforcing a state license law.